I'm Renee Moe, and I'm the president and CEO of United Way of Dane County.
Could you tell us a little bit about why your organization chooses to invest in mental health and the well-being of young people?
Mental health is a critical component of overall health and well being. We know that for individuals, for families, and for our community to thrive. School based children's mental health has been a key strategy that's been driving results for our community led agenda for change. That is putting together education, financial stability, and health to make sure our kids can thrive and succeed in reading and math and graduation rates.
On that, can you maybe expand a little bit about why you think mental health awareness is so
Mhm.
important then?
But again, there's so much stigma around mental health, and people think focusing on mental health means weakness, when really we believe that means strength. Being aware of your overall health is so important so that you can detect any symptoms or seek professional help or reach out whenever that support is necessary. While everyone is familiar with the symptoms and treatment options for things like flu or migraines or most recently COVID-19, many people are unsure how to look after their mental health. So, raising mental health awareness can help us all understand our symptoms, find professional treatment, and perhaps most importantly, break the mental health stigma that leaves so many people suffering in secret. Mental health awareness needs to be really brought out into the open. We know that when people are struggling, to be able to say, hey, I need some help, I need some support. It can be as simple as finding that connection, that safe space, all the way to those more intensive treatments that can help people really come through those difficulties and find their own way to thrive.
That was so great. And I really just love, I mean, the messaging behind that, right? There is so much stigma around mental health. And I think
Mhm.
talking about it openly is how we help to kind of break down some of those barriers. If you had to choose one positive message, either to young people or adults, maybe it's the same message, maybe it's a different one, what do you think they need to hear most right now?
I think that one of the things that many young adults and even adults don't know is that feeling of loneliness and aloneness. And to know there are rooms full of people, communities full of people who are fighting for more stability, more mental health resources is a way that people don't need to feel so alone and can feel more connected. So we want to make sure that there is hope and positivity, those tools that help build resilience and that chance to thrive. There needs to be practice for reframing and being able to lift up and find those smiles more frequently that help fuel our souls.
Renee, thank you so much for joining today for this
Yes.
brief but very important message and also for all the important work you and everyone does at the United
Mhm.
Way of Dane County. Really appreciate that.